Knock knock, Grandma. Are you in there? Where are you?
I am here. Wait for me a moment, please.
Hello, Grandma. I miss you a lot.
Hello, Vicky. You just told me on the phone that you were in Taiwan yesterday, but now you are in America already. What a surprise!
Oh, come on, Grandma. Traveling today is different from a long time ago. We have rapid airplanes, which help us move fast from one place to another.
Yes, you are right. But I have never been on a plane before, so I could not imagine how fast an airplane is.
Like this, Grandma. Brrrr. Is it interesting to you?
Yes, it is. How long does it take to fly from Taiwan to America?
About 15 hours and a half.
What? Not really fast like I thought.
How long do you think it would be?
I thought it was only 30 minutes.
No way, Grandma. You must be kidding. How long did you travel back then?
At my age, people normally travel by car or by ship. The ships were big, but it was very crowded and dirty. People often get sick easily during the trip.
Oh, is it terrible?
So, how was your vacation? Was it good?
Yes, Grandma. It was the best experience ever. I love it a lot.
Amazing! Please tell me more.
The Taiwan airport is very beautiful. They sell many traditional souvenirs in the stores. I bought 3 statues and 1 set of puzzle pieces.
Where did you stay?
I stayed in a luxury hotel near the beach. I could open the window and breathe some fresh air from the ocean.
How big was your room?
Very big. I have never seen any big hotel rooms like that in my life. My mom and my dad slept in one bed. I and my little sister slept on one bed nearby. We even have an enormous bathtub in the middle of the bathroom.
It sounds perfect. Where did you visit then?
On the first day, we visited Taipei 101.
What is it?
It's one of the once tallest building in the world. Now it is not anymore, but it's still one of Taiwan's most impressive buildings. It has 101 floors in total.
What? 101 floors? It is so tall.
Yes, it is. You know what? The building has survived many of the island's earthquakes. When you get onto the tallest floor of the building, you can see many different landscapes around you.
What did you see?
I saw many other buildings and small cars moving down there. They look like the toy cars at my house.
Where else did you go?
On the second day, my family and I visited the National Palace Museum. My little sister complained that the place was boring, but I did not think so.
A museum? Does it look like our museum on the corner of the street?
No, Grandma, it is much bigger than our museum. Unlike our museum, which shows paintings and art products, that museum displays a large collection of Chinese emperor. There, thousands of items were rescued by the government during the Cultural Revolution.
It seemed that you knew a lot after the trip.
Yeah, I have to admit that travel broadens the mind.
Who taught you that?
My father did. He told me that I had to look closely at everything and try to remember them all if I wanted to be a smarter person.
Yes, you should do that. Tell me more, please. I would love to listen to your experience.
On the same day, we tried to get on the train to visit Taroko National Park. Is it home to one of the most visited natural wonders in Taiwan? The waterfall is stunning. My mom took me some pictures there. I forgot a camera in my backpack when I was in a hurry to get to see you.
It's okay. You can show me in the next week.
I will tell you something, Grandma. I was almost a witness to one accident.
How so?
There were many people trying to take pictures on the waterfall. Then I heard someone screaming behind me. That's where a teenager girl. She fell off when she tried to stand on the sniff. Luckily, there was a brave man who helped her. I saw her face turn pale after that.
Oh my. You should be more careful, Vicky. I don't want you to fall for that.
Yes, I know. I am always very careful. I stuck with my parents all the time. I did not go to any place too far from them. I even had to remind my sister. She was a little naughty.
So, you guys went back to the hotel after the trip?
Yes, on the third day we took a gondola ride from the zoo, Mount Kong. The incredible scenery is worth it. I felt very satisfied when my mom let me enjoy a cup of tea. The taste is unforgettable. It's a little different from your tea. How can I describe it to you? I think it was more bitter than normal.
Did you visit any pagodas? I heard there were many temples and pagodas in Asia, especially in Taiwan.
Yes, we did. Those were the dragon and tiger pagodas. We spent 2 hours there because my mom wanted to pray for something. I found the temple very interesting because visitors will enter the temple through the dragon's and the tiger's mouth and can enjoy a view of the lake from the top of each tower.
Wow, it must be very peaceful there.
Not really. There were many tourists who were curious about the temple and the place seemed quite small to me.
What did you do on the last day of the trip? I hope you did not stay at the hotel for the whole day because you were too tired from traveling around from the previous day.
I was tired, but I did not want to stay at the hotel. The hotel was boring. We went to visit Chufen and go shopping in the Shilin night market. I saw many goods there, but I did not buy anything because I did not have any money. Actually, I did have some money, but some bad people stole it from my pocket. Luckily, there was only 10 cents.
Oh my gosh, really? Were you okay? Did you see the thief?
No, I did not. I only realized I lost the money when I reached into my pocket for a few pennies to buy the pancakes. Then I told my mom. She showed me some sympathy and bought me the cake. She told me to be more careful.
I am so sorry to hear that you had an awful experience. Are you still sad?
No, I'm okay. I didn't mind because I had so many wonderful experiences.
Do you want to come back to Taiwan one day?
Sure, if I have a chance, I will take you with me. Then you will know how fast an airplane is.
I would love it. Thank you, Vicky.